Munene wa Maovisa Kwika Ukunikili DCI Mohammed Amin Niwaweta kana Vaina Kindu na Kimwe Kiusiiya Silikali Kumwikia Mbini Unai Munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua wa Ukunikili wo Nuumukonan'ya na Kuvangithya na Kuungamia Maandamano Makeeli emergency ala Manatwaiiwe Wakatatu Muvitu Aiweta Gachagua Ungu wa meya Mwene wa Kenya ainena na ndikima mauvoma wikaloni mo Manene Amin Niwaweta Ukunikili kukonia alama na vangithitye maandamano nwende ye na mbiki ya vau imekite Mbini andu 885 na katiwo no avuthu matanamba kuthakua kotini. Joseph Kitheka ena ilivoti.
DCI Mohammed Amin ni walumelia Silikali itambuche kwa meya kufikia mutongoi wonthe ula Ukunikili Nuumukonan'ya na Kuvangithya na Kuungamia maandamano kwena na Amin kana kwa Ukunikili wo ni wende kusima na list ya tongoi kivuthukanyo Aiweta ula Unai Munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua Akwatikana kilingi siniki akekiwa Mbini ni kwithiwa Ungu wa meya Mwene wa kawaida.
These actions were not by any means spontaneous. They were orchestrated, and we are actively pursuing the key planners, the mobilizers, the financiers, and the facilitators behind this scheme, and they will be brought to justice very soon. It is not true that we have summoned Rigathi Gachagua. Rigathi Gachagua does not enjoy any immunity against prosecution. He is subject to the laws of the land. If in our investigations he is found to have been involved in any criminal activity, perpetrated any criminal activity, aided or abetted any criminal activity, then appropriate action will be taken against Rigathi Gachagua.
Amin Aiweta kufikia usililwa 885 nimekitwa Mbini maikonaniwa na siko siote wa miao evindani ya maandamano valakati wa 880 nimavikitwe kotini na kusikati wa Mavityo kivuthukanyo esililwa 3 ni mumeterere kuthakua kotini.
485 individuals have been arrested in connection to what happened on June 25th. Of these, 448 have already been charged in court, and 37 remain under active investigation, some pending further custodial hearings. The charges range from murder, terrorism, rape, gang rape, arson, obstruction of police officers while on duty, breaking and stealing, robbery and as well robberies with violence, stealing from locked motor vehicles, incitement to violence, handling stolen goods, malicious damage to property, and possession of illegal firearms.
Kwena na DCI Amin kana uito wa maandamano kelelo vamuna wanangiko ula unakusiwe vena itumisi onthe konania maine maandamano mena kelelo kisio na kwa vanene manai na kelelo cha kuvindwa Silikali cha vina uvathukanu na meyao.
Evidence indicates that the individuals were strategically mobilized and transported particularly into Nairobi from various parts of the country not to express their legitimate grievances but to execute a well-coordinated agenda of disruption and violence. From the activities and from what we witnessed, people looting and destroying public property, people attacking police stations, burning government institutions, destroying critical government infrastructure. I mean, how will we define such characters if they are not hell-bent on causing anarchy in our country? And if somebody causes anarchy, then in my own interpretation, that will be synonymous to an attempted coup.
Joseph Kitheka, Vilingi wa Mauvo.